vote chori, and he showed multiple examples from Madhevpuri and Haryana.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of international media attention as well. Why is BJP not calling for an independent probe on this? Wasn't that the best way to silence your critics?
So international media attention, Nipun, is because Rahul Gandhi is running the agenda of George Soros and a certain section which wants destabilization in India. How they destabilized our neighboring countries, they want that, and Rahul Gandhi runs their agenda, which is very clear. You must have seen enough videos of him going to Cambridge and Oxford. Now in Karnataka, when he gave, I'll give you both examples. Karnataka, when he gave that presentation, his own minister, Mr. Revanna, who's the only ST minister in the cabinet, he was removed from cabinet because he dared to say that the issue that Rahul Gandhi is raising is from the time of the Congress. He said categorically कि ये तो कांग्रेस के समय में होता था and ये कांग्रेस की गलती है. Next thing, K.C. Venugopal was called by Rahul Gandhi and that man was sacked from the cabinet. Another person raised this, who was a very close aide of Siddaramaiah. And when you come to Haryana, a party which still, after 11 months of losing an election, has not been able to decide their leader of opposition, and they are talking about vote chori, the amount that those leaders fought among themselves, there are 6 camps in Haryana Congress. Each leader is ready to make इसके बेटे को हराओ, इसकी बहन को हराओ. एक तो सब वहां पे फैमिली रन फैमिली ड्रामा चलता है हरियाणा कांग्रेस में. सबके बेटे बेटियां भाई बहन वाइफ चुनाव लड़ते हैं. एंड देन ऑल दोज फ्रैक्शंस फाइट अगेंस्ट ईच अदर कि सामने वाले को हराना है. खुद की पार्टी एक दूसरे को हरा रही है. व्हाई यू ब्लेमिंग द इलेक्शन कमीशन? एंड if Rahul Gandhi, we are ready for any probe. पहली बात तो we are not the election commission. If election commission wants to hold a probe, they are open to it. लेकिन why is Rahul Gandhi scared in giving that affidavit? If he is actually correct, he should have immediately the next day signed on that sheet and given the affidavit.
I'm glad you mentioned BR and SIR because that's been another criticism of the election commission, right? The 65 lakh vote.
Yes, and the best part is all those people again. You saw वहाँ पे राहुल गांधी की रैली में there was this one woman who said राहुल गांधी को हमारा नाम नहीं है. 15 मिनट बाद जब इलेक्शन कमीशन उस लेडी के पास पहुंचती है with the media, that woman says, oh my name is तो there, we were paid so much by the team of Rahul Gandhi to go and say that. 3 people said that कि we were paid to say this in front of Rahul Gandhi. You are saying कि वोट चोरी होती है तो SIR तो you should acknowledge it ना. You should be happy that we are cleaning this. Why did you have to wait? The last SIR that was held was in 2013. No, 2003, sorry. Was in 2003. Why was the Congress government sleeping? Rahul Gandhi was running the show for 10 years. He had the remote control. Dr. Manmohan Singh ji was not the Prime Minister. Rahul Gandhi was tearing ordinances up. He was deciding कि कौन सा bill होगा कौन सा नहीं होगा. So that means he was a de facto Prime Minister. What stopped him from having this exercise? That should have been done. That was the responsibility of the Congress. आज जब सफाई हो रही है तो तकलीफ है. वोट चोरी. राहुल गांधी should focus on the ground and realities. काम करो, जनता के बीच में जाओ, लंकावी घूमना कम करो.
Which says that if somebody's been in jail for more than 30 days, they do not qualify to become a chief minister or a prime minister. It's a fact that enforcement agencies are always with the party in power. That's how Indian democracy is structured. And a lot of the same BJP leaders who are right-wing ministers have been in jail during the emergency as well. So don't you think, and that was obviously because of dissent, so don't you think this will get people scared about dissent in that sense? And don't you think it's anti-democratic from that perspective?
There is a member of parliament who is a very close aide of the Gandhi family, who is seen every day during the parliament session with Priyanka Vadra ji, जिसने कहा था प्रधानमंत्री की बोटी बोटी कर देंगे. He's an MP from Uttar Pradesh. If we were misusing the agencies or using the agencies, that man would not be in parliament. He would be in jail for saying कि मैं प्रधानमंत्री की बोटी बोटी कर दूंगा. There are n number of Congress MPs who sat outside an Indigo plane when Mr. Pawan Kheda ji was being arrested, and they said Modi को ज़मीन में गाड़ देंगे. They are still members of parliament and no ED CBI has reached them. There are many chief ministers of the opposition, whether it is Omar Abdullah Sahab or you have Mr. Reddy of Telangana or Mr. Stalin of Tamil Nadu. Those who have not done any corruption so far, no ED, no CBI has gone to them. So corruption करोगे तो ED CBI जाएगी. And then you have the court. आपको कोर्ट में भी विश्वास नहीं है, आपको किसी चीज़ में विश्वास नहीं है तो घर बैठो. क्यों आप चुनाव भी लड़ते हो? And second thing, राहुल गांधी ने ही वो ऑर्डिनेंस फाड़ा था ना, when Dr. Manmohan Singh was saving all these people. He said, I will not take this. What has changed from then to this day? If he was going with this, Rahul Gandhi is a very confused man. He himself tore up that ordinance which was going to save Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav ji. Now today he's opposing this. And have you ever seen, if you remember, Indira Gandhi ji, when she was caught with vote chori, what did she do? She declared emergency. And what is the Prime Minister today doing? The Prime Minister himself has brought himself under the purview of this act. So if he is also at fault, he will have to resign and he can be arrested. इतनी पारदर्शिता हो रही है